Hey there. If you've ever found yourself thinking about attracting a specific person into your life, then this is exactly what you need to hear. I'm not talking about magic or some far-fetched concept. I'm talking about real, practical techniques that can help you bring someone into your reality by shifting your thoughts, feelings, and energy. You see, everything in this world is energy, and that includes our relationships. The people you encounter, the connections you form, those all stem from the energy you emit. If you want to attract a specific person into your life, it's crucial to understand how to match your energy to what you want to experience. This means aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create the circumstances where that person can enter your world. One of the first things you need to grasp is the idea of beliefs. Our beliefs shape everything. They determine how we see the world and how the world responds to us. If you believe that it's hard to attract the person you want, or if you have doubts about your worthiness, that belief will block your ability to manifest them. It's not about wishing or hoping for them to show up, it's about knowing, with absolute certainty, that they are already on their way. To start, imagine the relationship you want. Close your eyes and picture it as vividly as possible. Don't just think about the person, but feel the emotions as if you are already experiencing them. Feel the joy, the connection, the love, or whatever it is you desire. The key here is to not just visualize the person but to engage your emotions deeply. Emotions are the magnet that draws your desires closer to you. When you generate these feelings, you send out a powerful signal to the universe, signaling that you are open and ready to receive exactly what you've been visualizing. But here's the thing, this process requires you to let go. Let go of the outcome, let go of the how, and trust that it will happen in the right time. One of the biggest mistakes people make is becoming attached to the idea of how or when this person will show up. When you become desperate or impatient, you create resistance. The universe works best when you are in a state of flow, when you aren't forcing anything to happen but are allowing it to unfold naturally. Let's talk about the subconscious mind for a moment, because this is where a lot of magic happens. Your subconscious mind is like a garden, and your thoughts are the seeds. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, or anxiety, those will grow into the experiences you don't want. But if you plant seeds of self-love, belief, and confidence, you begin to shape the reality you want to live in. The subconscious doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined, it simply responds to the emotions you attach to your thoughts. This means that as you visualize the relationship you want, you need to feel that it's already real. The more you practice this, the more your subconscious mind will begin to believe it. Over time, you will start to notice shifts in your external reality as well, signs, coincidences, and opportunities that bring you closer to that person. Another powerful tool is meditation. Meditation is a way to calm the mind and connect to your higher self. When you meditate, you access a deeper state of awareness where you can truly reprogram your mind. During meditation, you can focus on the person you want to attract and visualize your connection. As you do this, you begin to align your energy with the relationship you desire. This process of inner work creates a ripple effect, and the energy you emit begins to attract the people who are in harmony with your energy. You also need to work on becoming the person who is deserving of that relationship. We often attract people who mirror our own energy and beliefs. If you don't believe that you deserve a loving, healthy relationship, then you won't attract someone who treats you that way. Start by loving yourself first. This doesn't mean being perfect, it means accepting yourself as you are, knowing that you are worthy of all the love, joy, and connection that life has to offer. To attract a specific person into your life, you have to shift your internal state and focus on the person you wish to bring into your reality. However, it's important to note that this process isn't about obsessing over the other person. It's about aligning your energy with the relationship you want and trusting that the universe will guide things into place when the time is right. One of the most powerful aspects of attraction is your emotional state. The emotional energy you emit is what pulls things toward you, whether that's positive or negative. For example, if you're constantly feeling anxious or desperate, you're sending a signal of lack. But if you can shift your emotions to match the state of already having the person in your life, you will start attracting that energy back to you. As you move through this process, it's important to stay in a state of gratitude. Gratitude raises your vibration and shifts your focus to what's working in your life, rather than what's lacking. When you practice gratitude for the things you already have, you signal to the universe that you are ready for more. Gratitude opens the door for abundance to flow into your life, and when you are in this high vibrational state, you naturally attract the people and experiences that align with your energy. Now, let's discuss the power of thought and intention. Thoughts are incredibly powerful because they shape our reality. Every thought you have sends out an energetic frequency into the universe. If you are constantly thinking about what's not working or what you don't have, that's the energy you are sending out. Instead, focus on positive, empowering thoughts that affirm your worth and the beauty of the relationship you are about to create. Set your intention clearly and without doubt. The more consistent and focused you are with your thoughts, the more the universe begins to align with your desires. One thing to note is that the universe moves in mysterious ways. Sometimes, the person you are trying to attract might not show up in the exact form or time frame that you expect. Trust that the universe knows what's best for you. Sometimes, the right person comes into your life at the perfect time, when you are ready, and when the circumstances are aligned for the relationship to flourish. It's also important to be patient and stay consistent with your practices. Manifestation is not about a one-time visualization or meditation session. It's about creating a habit of thinking, feeling, and acting as if your desire has already been fulfilled. This consistency creates momentum and shifts your energy in the direction of your dreams. As you go through this process, try not to get discouraged if things don't happen immediately. Manifestation takes time, and sometimes the universe works behind the scenes to bring everything together. Trust in the process, keep doing the inner work, and stay in the energy of love and belief. Another powerful practice is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce the belief that you are worthy of your desires. For example, you can affirm, "I am worthy of love and connection, I am attracting the perfect person into my life," or "I am already in the ideal relationship." These affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind and align your thoughts with the reality you want to create. The key here is consistency. If you are practicing these techniques every day, you will begin to notice small shifts in your energy, and the person you are trying to attract will start to show up in your reality. This is how manifestation works. It's a gradual process, but the results are worth it. Your thoughts create your reality. By aligning your energy with the person you want to attract, you begin to draw them closer to you. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and know that the right person is on their way. You have the power to create the relationship you desire, and with the right mindset and consistent practice, you will make it a reality. This is not just about attracting a person, but about creating the life and the love you deserve. The universe is always responding to the energy you put out. So, stay focused, stay positive, and trust that everything is aligning for you. Your perfect relationship is just around the corner. Keep your heart open, and keep your energy aligned with your desire. The universe is always ready to give you exactly what you are prepared to receive.